Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create a border around text in Word document. Friends, due to any reason if you want to create border around paragraph in your Word document, for that you simply need to select the paragraph. After selecting the paragraph, you need to click on border and here select outside border. So friends, like this you can very easily create border around paragraph in your Word document. Now suppose if you want to create border in a different style, for that you simply need to select the paragraph. After selecting the para, click on border and here need to select on border and shading. Here you can select different design of lines. Suppose I want this type of line, and also you can select the color and the thickness of the line. After selecting all the settings, click on OK. Now friends, as you can see, it has created a different style of border in our second paragraph. So friends, like this you can very easily play around and create border to your paragraph as per your requirements. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.